2, 3, ladybirds. On a sunflower, Lily came across a ladybird. One little black spot on her wings. She warms herself in the sun. Suspended from a tree, Lily notices a ladybird. 1, 2 little black spots on her wings, and only 2 clouds in the sky. Near her crayons, Lily sees a ladybird. 1, 2, 3 little black spots on her wings, and 3 coloured drawings mixed together. On the top of the shelf, Lily meets a ladybird. 1, 2, 3, 4 little black spots on her wings, and hop, 4 spoons of gooseberry jam.